Okay, this video is about that battery and if you can get access to the battery to the frunk. So the way to do this is you have to unlock your door with the key. So use your key here to unlock it. And then once you open the door, you're gonna have to go and remove this fuse box here, right by your foot pedals here. You remove it and you pull this tab out. This one, this is for emergency trunk release. So what you're gonna do is gonna find an old battery, or even you can take out a battery from your other car, or just run cables from another car. And normally you just put a positive on this tab here, like this, and then the negative you can hook it up to maybe the door here. And then with your remote, just unlock your frunk, and then it should open with the remote. Or I'm not sure if this one will work here or not, this release, but I always use the remote, and it usually works. So that's how you open your frunk to replace the battery or charge it. Thanks.